Hey everyone, so happy Sunday morning. So this morning I'm going to record my new subscriber shout out video, and I have a couple of channels that towards the end I want to mention that I've been watching, and if you enjoy this channel I think you'll probably enjoy the stuff they're doing as well. So I want to start off just by thanking everyone who joined the live chat last night and thanking all of the new subscribers over the past week. It's been really great to have everybody here joining. And thank you everybody who has jumped onto the videos and made some comments, encouraged me and made some positive comments about the stuff that I'm doing here. And I like to do the same thing for other channels. I'll jump on and make comments and positive comments about the videos that I really like, and I know it helps because it helps me. So anyway, I appreciate that. So I have my list of new subscribers up here. Starting with a week ago, we have Heidi White, Jean Hackler, Richard Butterfoss, How To with Angie, Nesting Haven, Hand Tool Wood Guy. I need to jump on and check out his videos. Mike Baker and No One. We have Arkansas 13, Hanu Hoffren, and Dave's Woodworks. Dave's Woodworks has a woodworking channel. Definitely a good channel to check out if you're into woodworks. Gary Raymond, Rock Truck Rob, Brian J, 123458, Living and Learning Life, Jacob Lauren, Thomas Harden, Fishing Do It Yourself. He has a channel over there. Chuck Bailey, hashtag Popular Food, Matthew Cremona. Matt, if you're watching, I really appreciate you subscribing and come over and checking out my channel. That's awesome. I am a subscriber to your channel and greatly enjoy your videos. Christopher Olson, Bob Lee's Workshop. I know for a fact he has a YouTube channel, a workshop over there. If you're into that stuff, go over and check Bob's channel out. MNJ Outdoors. It looks like he's got a channel over there. Mark Wallingford, Pennsyltucky Trapper, Dirt Garage, Reviewing, Playing, and More RPM. I've seen you commenting on the videos. That's great. Jacaros.com, Hooks and Leaders Fishing, Ops Cicasia 007, Frank's DIY, Fishing and Free Diving in Ireland. That sounds interesting. Shine Bright, Studio Photography, Adele Celeste, Trep Shields, Dragos Ion, Jose Barrientos, Al Catil, Oh Happy Davis, Matt's Workshop. I was actually on a live chat with him and Patrick's Workshop. Joshua Luther, Carol Kolanowski, KK Make, Matt Andrews, Mike B Pyro. I subscribed to him. Looks like he's got some interesting pyrotechnic videos, so I'm looking forward to seeing those. Steve Carmichael, another maker channel, so thanks Steve for joining. Crystal Cordero, and Miter Mike's Workshop, which I believe I also subscribed to and will be watching those videos. So thanks everyone for over the past week who's joined. And YouTube does have a little bit of a delay on this list of subscribers, so it probably only goes up to the last 24 or 48 hours. So if I missed you, I apologize, and I will catch you on the next new subscriber video when you show up on here. If you have subscribed in the past week and I didn't mention your name, please jump down in the comments down below. Let us know who you are, how you found the channel, and tell us a little about yourself. If you get anybody here who has subscribed either this past week or who has already been a subscriber, jump down in the comments below. Let us know a little bit of something about yourself so the new subscribers can get to know you. If you have a channel, let everyone know about that, especially stuff that's woodwork related and that sort of thing, because that's what people come here for. So they would likely be interested in what you have going on, or at least go over and check out and see what you got. That is all the new subscribers. Again, really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. Really looking forward to growing the channel and bringing on more people. I have a blast just chatting with everybody and sharing everything we do. So there's a couple of channels that I wanted to share that I've just started watching, and one of them is Heartland Outdoor Living. I just watched a couple of videos here where they built a mini cabin If you go and watch their latest video, you'll know why I was saying that. So that looks like a very interesting video. Just watched one of their leatherworking videos, and that was really interesting. That's pretty cool to check out. I just watched one of their leatherworking videos, and that was really interesting and looks really cool. I look forward to seeing more of that. Another channel that I am watching is Woodworking Milling and Signs. He just finished organizing and cleaning up his shop, so that was cool to see, because I need to do the same thing. I'm just about there as to what I want to do with my shop and how I want to organize it. And his latest video, making a sign with Super Mario for his nephew. So he did a really great job. He hand painted the sign when he was done. It really came out great. So that was a blast to watch. So that is it for the channel shout outs. We have the 600 subscriber giveaway, so if you don't know about that or haven't checked that out yet, I'm going to put a link down in the description below so you can go over there and check that out. We have 81 entries, and there are 13 days left to the giveaway. Another thing, last night when I did the live video, there were a couple interesting things that you might be interested in seeing and checking out. So if you watch that video, I did upload it. There are a couple interesting things in there that you might find interesting. I showed a new tool that I just got in the mail this past week that came from another YouTuber, and I do plan on putting a video out on that shortly. So if you're interested in getting a sneak peek at that, I gave the people on the live stream a sneak peek at that, and I'm really looking forward to using it, and thought it might be interesting to share with everyone here. I also shared an initial view of a couple of the tools that are going to go into the toolbox for the hand tool giveaway. And no, that person in the video with me is not my daughter, that's my wife. Everyone keeps joking about that because she looks so much younger than I am, and we are, believe it or not, only about 8 months apart. And I have a milestone birthday, as she mentioned in the video. If you do watch the video, you'll learn about my milestone birthday next weekend. That is all I have for this short video here, just to do the new subscriber shout out video today. It's very important to me to do that. I like to mention everybody by name when I can. The day may come I may not be able to do that, depending on how far this goes. And I have no intention on stop doing YouTube videos, so hopefully it goes for quite a long time. I am encouraged by the people who comment and people who share their thoughts on what I'm doing, and I'm always open to feedback. I actually really enjoy feedback. One of the additional entries into the giveaway is actually giving some feedback on the channel as to what you like about it, and it helps me do more of the things that you like to see, or at least record more of the things you like to see. I'm still going to do all the things I do either way, but at least when I am doing something that you're interested in, I can pull the camera out and hit that record button, and I get to show you what it is I'm working on. As always, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It really does help out the channel a lot. If you like this video, definitely go out and check out some of the other videos on the channel. I think you'll like those as well. And if you do, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. There's a bell icon that's going to come up right after you hit that. If you click on that, you'll notice the bell icon changes, and when you do that, you will be notified when I put up new videos. So as usual, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being here, a part of the channel. I appreciate it. Till next time, see you on the next video. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.